I can see some faces around, but I would request जितनों के लिए भी practically possible है कि अपनी videos on कर लीजिए. Great. Welcome to Forever Star India. I hope you guys have been keeping good. And finally, we kickstart the process of you guys becoming the celebrities. 2 months down the grand finale, and it's going to be huge. I'm sure you're all witness to that. And let's get this started. So these are your specialized training sessions. So make sure you do not fail on to attending anything. क्योंकि उसके बाद जब आप टीम को क्वेश्चन करते हो कि what is the next process, it doesn't fit into your questions, right? You need to be equally responsible and make sure that you take up each and every session, because from now on the things are going to get serious and of course more fun, because you know you all are potentially eligible to become city finalists from your cities. So all the best. Today we have a very, very special expert with us. She is a health coach, a nutritionist. I would like to welcome Sakshi Shekhar. There she is. Sakshi Shekhar, Urf, the magic platter. Trust me, she has lots and lots of helpful insights to give. I would request all of you to keep a notepad and pen handy. Of course, she's going to talk about the basics to help you start with, and a very, very integrally, a crucial topic of our lives, PMS. That is something that we deal with, we struggle with, and of course have to make our peace with. But I think the nutritionist is the right person, and of course the most right suitable candidate to offer you a much more peaceful way to survive with it. Welcome on board, Sakshi. It's an absolute pleasure having you here. I hope you are doing good.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you for having me. And I'm very excited to start off with this project of PMS. Let's see how to go about it.
Wonderful. So I don't think there is any reason to delay. Over to you and over to your expertise. Thank you so much.
Please hold on while I set up my device. So, hello Queens. Hope you had a wonderful week and hope you all are checking on what you're eating, because that is one of the most crucial things you got to do from here. I'm back with segment 2. We had a one segment last week. I think you all were not there, but we can surely cover it all up. My name is Sakshi Shekhar and I'm a nutritionist. First of all, congratulations from the bottom of my heart. I am both eager and excited to see your journey hereafter. Only one lady among you will be donning the crown, but you all are queens and do believe in uplifting each other. I am nutritionist Sakshi Shekhar, as I said. I am the founder and owner of the Magic Platter. You can find my website right here. I have 7 years of experiences, and I have covered more than 1,000 transformation. I have been a nutritional blogger, and you can find my work on Facebook and Instagram. I think Harry will be sharing my links shortly. You can follow me over there for more information. I personally feel transforming a human frame really, really brings on a lot to your personality. That confidence that you exuberate, that is nothing less than being feeling like a queen. So let us quickly go to what and how exactly it is done. So at Magic Platter, I personalize diet plans wherein, holistic healing is the motto. You heal by natural food, not by pills or shakes, which are more prevalent in the market today. So a lot of people would say, we would not take names here, but there are a lot of brands that just promote shakes. Ye khao aur patle ho jao, ye pill khao aur patle ho jao. Why not eat something from your own kitchen? So for lasting health, you should, focus on eating from your kitchen. And for lasting health, you must include some kind of physical activity, say walk or workout, anything that suits your stamina to go about. Precisely, the recipes that are part of the diet plan, any diet plan basically plays a huge role, because it is a one key for sustainability of any diet. So of course, counting of calories, and scientifically, it has to be very, very accurate according to your body. And that is when you actually progress towards a healthy self. So my clients are based across the globe. Here is my number. You can reach out for any queries as of now, like you are progressing towards something really, really big and you have to look to your best. And the real beauty comes from within. So you can take a snapshot of this. Let's quickly go to the next slide. Happy Navratri, everyone. So it is right here, Devi Durga has arrived, and I'm sure a lot of you are fasting. So I'll just quickly cover this topic. I have a link that I would like to share with you. But prior to that, I would quickly share the recommendations that you should follow for a healthy fast, so that you can actually lose weight. So in case you are fasting healthily, you can actually lose up to 4 kilos, because already the carbohydrates are restricted in Navratri. So why not use it to your benefit? So to begin with, follow a rule to keep yourself hydrated. Pani bahut peena hai, whether it's coconut water or buttermilk or green tea or lemon water. Jo bhi, you have to keep yourself hydrated. Jo bhi karo. The more fluids you take, the toxins are eliminated from your system. So wo bahut crucial hai. Do not starve. Eat small or frequent meals throughout the day. Even if it is fasting, I'm sure there are a lot of things that are permitted. I can share the link wherein you can find, a perfect plan also, and it will be more helpful for you. That article is written by me itself, so I can confidently share it with you all. Okay, I always have a half an hour gap between your consumption of tea, any kind of tea or coffee, and a fruit for appropriate nutrition absorption of the food. Next, consume डबल टोन मिल्क की बनी हुई कर्ड, डबल टोन मिल्क की बनी हुई चाय, क्योंकि आप कैलोरीज कंज्यूम कर ही रहे हो तो कम ही करनी है, तो इट विल बी एक्स्ट्रा फुलफिलिंग, एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू. आप लस्सी बना सकते हो, कर्ड ले सकते हो विद द सेम मिल्क. ऑल्सो फास्ट में एक ट्रेंड है कि बहुत सारा फ्राई खाना हम खा लेते हैं, जो कैलोरीज हमें नहीं खानी है उससे ज्यादा डबल खा लेते हैं. So in this case, you can actually go for baked, roasted or grilled broth meal instead of frying. And this can keep a check on your indigestion also. और आपको वो fulfill heavy feeling नहीं आएगी. आप जब भी आप green juices ले सकते हो, for example bottle gourd की juice या फिर cucumber की juice. Also fiber rich vegetables choose कीजिए. आप क्रिएटिव हो सकते हो, ग्लूटेन फ्री डाइट ले सकते हो, कुट्टू फ्लावर, चेस्टनट फ्लावर, अमरंथ फ्लावर, साबुदाना, अरारोट. You can use all of this, and you can be creative to make muffins out of it, chila, pancakes. Stomach rice is also one crucial part of the diet, so आप वो भी ले सकते हो. Carbohydrate craving होने पर या फिर sweet craving होने पर basically you can go for seasonal fruits. Raita, pineapple raita is one of my favorite. I'd like to share with you. You can go for fresh fruit juices. Add honey or jaggery to sweeten your meal. So this is all about Navratri. There is a particular diet plan that I have with me. If you want it, you can ping me or WhatsApp, or I can share it with you. I would like you to recognize the next slide. Can you guess what is wrong with her? Can you mention in the chat box? She's gone crazy as if, sar pe khoon sawar hai. And she's about to kill people, I see. What is wrong with her? PMS, you see? What exactly is PMS? It's the premenstrual syndrome. second. Basically, this happens to 3 out of 4 women. I don't know how many of you are currently suffering from PMS and wanting to kill me, but trust me, I'm not that harmful. Please spare me. It's usually the worst before 4 days of your periods, and the mood swings and the body changes are horrid for some people, and it's just normal for some people. What exactly happens here? So the signs and symptoms, mostly emotional. You feel, there's been a time when I personally felt it so strong. And I was watching that movie called Hachiko. It's a dog movie, and I cried all the afternoon, all the evening, only to realize that I got my periods in the evening. So there are so many times you cry over petty things, and then you realize, oh, it's PMS. So ऐसा बहुत होता है. Basically, you are stressed and you're anxious for nothing. Your heart rate is up. Sometimes you have this depressed mood, like something's gone terribly wrong. Agar your partner or somebody seated on the dining table asks you for water, ऐसे लगेगा जैसे किसी ने किडनी निकालने के लिए कह दिया हो. So it's terrible on some days. You have these crying spells, irritability इतनी high होती है. You have trouble falling asleep, and then you watch something, some Netflix or whatever, and then the pura cycle is gone for a toss. You don't want to meet people, the concentration is poor, and the libido, sometimes it's high, sometimes it's low. You don't know what to do. So this is all happens emotionally to you. Physically, everything is fading. You have acne, you don't want to go out with that face, you have poor alcohol intolerance, you have constipation, diarrhea, weight gain ho jata hai because fluid retention chalu jati hai. Everywhere you feel puffiness, and behind your palms, your cheeks are puffy, migraines may shot up, fatigue. So all these are signs and symptoms of PMS. What is exactly the cause? What is happening behind this entire? So exact cause is still unknown basically, but several factors may contribute to the conditions. एक, अगर premenstrual syndrome बहुत high है, तो hormonal fluctuations तो definitely हो रहे हैं, or this, and it is happening for people who have not been pregnant. जैसे ही pregnancy या menopause शुरू होता है, it starts going low. दूसरा है chemical changes in the brain, serotonin chemical लोचा जिसको कहते हैं मुन्ना भाई, वो हो जाता है. तो जो हमारा न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर है, that serotonin goes for a toss. इसकी वजह से you feel premenstrual depression हो रही है, fatigue हो रहा है, food cravings हो रही है, sleep problems हो रही है. So obviously chemical changes happen and it really messes us up. Depression अगर किसी को predisposed है, पहले से है, तो वो ज़्यादा feel करता है ये. Again, it is not really just depression अगर किसी को पहले से है, तो it just shoots up and you feel like not meeting people and want to stay in bed all the time. So these are the major causes. We move on to a graph which may appear boring to you, but there's a lot to learn because अगर आप अपनी body को समझते हो, it just becomes easier to tackle your body, right? So it's very, very crucial to understand your own body, और तभी हम उसके according अपने system को reiterate कर सकते हैं. So, excuse me. Yes, so there are 3 hormones that you can see over here. 1, 2, and 3. Leaving aside testosterone, जो बहुत low profile maintain कर रहा है, let's check out this pink one, estrogen, the shaitani hormone that is going roller coaster for us. So have you ever been in a situation when you've been working out बहुत अच्छे से, or suddenly your energy dips? You feel like you are not able to lift weights, you're not able to do cardio efficiently. कैसा होता है कभी? All of a sudden सारी motivation चली गई है. All you want to do is sit back, snack on an ice cream or chips and watch TV. Nothing else. इसमें आपकी कोई गलती नहीं है. Ladies, our body is not like men, so we should accept it and not feel guilty about it. Especially about how you're feeling, because people would say, men would say, oh, iska PMS hai, let her be. But actually, it's nothing it's nothing personal. It should be not be, pointing out personally, because it's not your fault. So our bodies do not function like men. We should never feel guilty about it, firstly. And it is all, blame it on the hormones completely. So our hormones, if you see the graph, it's like actually on a roller coaster, So let's understand our body and adjust to our body, and let the hormones adjust to us. So our menstrual cycle is like a daily affair for us, right? But have we really gotten into the system and understand कि क्या हम इसको easy कर सकते हैं? क्या आपकी वर्कआउट, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल दैट टाइम्स एक बार ये वर्कआउट रुक गया 5 दिन, वो पीरियड्स खत्म होने के बाद, यू जस्ट नॉट एबल टू स्टार्ट, क्योंकि मोटिवेशन ही नहीं आ रही है. सो दैट इज व्हेन वो नॉलेज, नॉलेज इज पावर, दे से when you know yourself better, you'll be able to perform better. So you see that it is divided into 2 phases, follicular phase and luteal phase. तो ये जो फर्स्ट 14 डेज होते हैं, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम योर पीरियड्स टू द 14th डे, जो आपकी ओव्यूलेशन तक आती है, वो आपकी फॉलिक्यूलर फेज है, और उसके बाद वाले को ल्यूटियल फेज कहते हैं. So exactly what is going on? Initially तो दोनों साथ साथ, दोनों हार्मोन साथ साथ नीचे नीचे हैं, एस्ट्रोजन एंड प्रोजेस्टेरॉन साथ साथ जा रहे हैं. अचानक से आफ्टर योर पीरियड्स व्हाट हैपेंस, यहाँ आपकी पीरियड्स खत्म होती हैं, और यहाँ से एस्ट्रोजन टेक्स ऑफ, एंड इट टेक्स ऑफ ऊपर जाता जाता है, जबकि प्रोजेस्टेरॉन विल मेंटेन रिलेटिवली लो लेवल. इफ यू सी, एस्ट्रोजन विल कंटिन्यू टू राइज while progesterone maintains its level. This helps basically for maintaining a muscular recovery faster, और हमारी पेन टॉलरेंस बढ़ जाती है. 2 चीज जो हमें फायदा होता है इस फेज में, वो होता है हमारा पेन टॉलरेंस इंक्रीजेस and our muscle recovers. So this is the best time to take your workout seriously, like high intensity करना है आपको, या HIIT करनी है, या heavy weights lift करने हैं. This is a good time. Your body will be performing at a good, good stamina, and it will increase your workout to another level. But अगर आपको period cramps होते हैं, तो take it easy, listen to your body, don't force your body ever. लेकिन अगर you are fit and fine, try to lift slightly heavier weights, and then you are used to, जैसे आप जितना कर रहे हो उसे थोड़ी सी attempt कर सकते हो, आप यहाँ पे try कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे बढ़ने में. देखो हमारा प्रोजेस्टेरॉन धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा है. You will be surprised how much can you lift. Like अभी आप से अगर आप 2.5 kgs lift कर रहे हो, आपको suddenly लगेगा आप next day gym जाओगे, आपके जो as you are entering into this phase, you will see कि you will be able to lift थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा weight, and आपकी stamina भी अच्छी होगी. You will feel satisfied with your workouts. So it is crucial कि आप इस moment पे अपने आप को थोड़ा push कर सकते हो. अगर आपको क्रैम्प्स है, जैसे मैंने कहा, टेक इट इजी, आप योगा करो, ब्रिस्क वॉकिंग करो, इट विल हेल्प यू रिड्यूस द क्रैम्प. नाउ व्हाट यू शुड बी ईटिंग एक्चुअली इस फेज में, आप खा सकते हो कार्ब्स. यूजुअली कार्ब्स को क्रिमिनल्स माना जाता है हमेशा, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. यू कैन हैव ऑल द टाइम थोड़ी बहुत क्वांटिटी में, लेकिन यहाँ पर कार्ब्स की अब्जॉर्प्शन अच्छी हो जाती है, तो आप एक्सेस में भी खा सकते हो कार्ब्स. तो हम रिफ्यूल कर सकते हैं अपने आप को कार्ब से. नो नीड टू लाइक फोकस ऑन प्रोटीन प्रोटीन प्रोटीन. क्योंकि आप वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, you can have carbs also, and it will help your workout session to be a more fruitful one. So burnout होने से अच्छा है, eat good carbs. I mean carbs मतलब not pizzas and burgers. Rice, oats, feel free. Sweet potato, carb-based vegetables, feel free to eat. So let's move quickly to when the estrogen is rising. अगेन यहाँ पर आपकी मसल रिकवरी अच्छी हो रही है, तो आप हैवी लिफ्ट कर सकते हो, जैसे कि मैंने कहा. आपकी स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग आप कर सकते हो, आप वेट लिफ्टिंग कर सकते हो, लेकिन इस एरिया पे आपकी जो मसल्स है वो इट इज मोर प्रोन टू इंजरी. इसलिए इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप वार्म अप करो और कूल डाउन भी करो. द क्वेश्चन अगेन, व्हाट यू शुड बी ईटिंग. तो एस्ट्रोजन जब हाई होता है ना, तो हमारी बॉडी जल्दी से सप्रेस कर सकती है हमारे एपेटाइट को, हमें बहुत भूख नहीं लगती. तो हम यहाँ पर चूज कर सकते हैं बैलेंस डाइट खाना, और कार्बोहाइड्रेट और प्रोटीन को बैलेंस करके खा सकते हैं. इससे हमारे वर्कआउट को और एनर्जी मिलेगी, फ्यूल मिलेगा. कमिंग टू द ल्यूटियल फेज, ल्यूशियल फेज में हमारा एस्ट्रोजन डिप हो रहा है और 22nd डे लगभग उस वक्त इट्स राइजिंग अगेन. सो हियर व्हाट वर्कआउट शुड यू बी एक्चुअली डूइंग. यहाँ पर भी हमें थोड़ी सी डीमोटिवेशन और क्रैपी फीलिंग शुरू हो जाएगी. बेसिकली यू आर लूजिंग द मोटिवेशन. यू नो, जब जो आपको एकदम अच्छे से यहाँ फील हो रहा था, यू विल बी फीलिंग कि अब वापस से हार्मोन्स डिप हो रहे हैं. इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द हार्मोन. ये जो हमारा हार्मोन है कार्बोहाइड्रेट अब्जॉर्प्शन को इनहिबिट कर देता है. इस वजह से ये होता है कि हमारी एनर्जी लेवल, और कार्बोहाइड्रेट हमारा एनर्जी का सोर्स है ना, इट डिलीवर्स यू इंस्टेंट एनर्जी. तो इस वजह से इट इज इनहिबिटिंग द अब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट, इसीलिए हमारा एनर्जी फिर से डिप होने लगता है. आई नो दिस इज अ लिटिल बोरिंग ग्राफ, बट द नेक्स्ट वीडियो दैट यू सी you'd love me for that. I promise. So again, force yourself, thoda encourage karo to do high intensity workouts. But the good news is यहाँ पर आपका फैट बर्न हो रहा होता है, तो फैट को फ्यूल की तरह यूज करते हैं. सो ना कि कार्ब्स या ग्लाइकोजन को. सो यू कैन रियली टेक एडवांटेज एंड डू कार्डियो हियर. यहाँ पर आप कार्डियो कर सकते हो, स्विमिंग जा सकते हो, साइकिलिंग कर सकते हो, रनिंग कर सकते हो, जुम्बा कर सकते हो, और मसल ब्रेकडाउन. क्योंकि जो पहले था इस फेज में था, फॉलिंग के फेज में वापस मसल ब्रेकडाउन इंक्रीजेस. सो रिकवरी स्लो होती है, तो प्रोटीन और कार्ब हमेशा बैलेंस करके खाना है. Again, your PMS would start from here. You will have a big appetite and water retention चालू हो जाएगी, क्योंकि you're again entering your periods के आने के पहले वाला phase, PMS वाला phase. Mild cramps शुरू हो जाएंगे. तो इसलिए हमें यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक का टाइम बिल्कुल अच्छे से यूज करना चाहिए, so that even if our mood is going haywire later, we'll be able to manage this better. But take the path through a balanced diet, okay? It really helps you get through this. So this is why I wanted you to know and understand what exactly and when exactly you should be focusing on what kind of diet, on what kind of workout, जिससे कि आप maximum benefit उठा सकते हो इसका. It takes time for us to understand our body, लेकिन अगर एक बार ये समझ लो, जैसे as I said, knowledge is power. You can use these hormones not against you, जैसे कि अभी हमारे against act करते हैं sometimes. We can use it for us. So right food intake is very, crucial here. Next slide is an interesting video जो मैंने अभी यहाँ पे detail में बताया. Precisely this video will tell you, and it is very interesting. You must have seen this video, by the way. Can you hear it? Look how she's glowing. Makes sense? Give me a thumbs up if it does. Yes, a lot of mood swings I say Shikha is mentioning. Don't somebody's using a pen on my presentation. Please erase it if you can see it. Okay, what to, I don't mind, but just I think everybody will get a view of that scratch. What to have on your periods? Iron rich food. Now I'm talking about day 1 to 5 only specifically. When you are the most emotional state obviously बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. We are introvert and we also introspective. We are thinking about ourselves, you know, how to make us correct overall personality पर सोचने पे काफी सोच विचार आते हैं इस टाइम पर. At this time we need rest and you require a break from your duties. You know, if somebody is there who can really take care of you, it's great. We need some alone time also. It's time for reflect. No disturbances. Socializing से भी हम भागते हैं. And basically a cozy environment with a comfortable circle who are really concerned about you. It's not a big deal, but you know, it doesn't hurt much, right? Iron rich food is one of the major thing. I don't know how many times I've heard this. अनार खाओ खून बनेगा. I am sure आपने भी सुना होगा. अनार खाने से खून नहीं बनता सिर्फ. There are so many other things. In fact, dark green leafy vegetable khao, red meat khao, dried fruit khao, raisins, apricots. Yeah, iron fortified cereals are there. There are so many cereals that वहाँ लिखा रहता है ना iron से fortified है वो. अब वो खा सकते हो. Bread and pastas. तो सिर्फ अनार पे फोकस क्यों करते हैं लोग? क्योंकि वो लाल है और लाल लाल डायरेक्टली अंदर चला जाएगा. बेसिकली हमें आयरन चाहिए और आयरन इज एन एसेंशियल एलिमेंट फॉर ब्लड प्रोडक्शन. तो मैंने ये चीज स्पेशली बोली क्योंकि कई बार जब मैं ये रेकमेंड करती हूँ कि आयरन रिच फूड खाएं, सब अनार लेकर आ जाते हैं. I wonder why. So about 70% of your body's iron is found in your blood called hemoglobin and muscles में myoglobin. So please iron rich food में मतलब green leafy vegetable, red meat ये सब आते हैं. Oats, lentils, banana, egg, flaxseed, coconut oil, turmeric, warm milk, herbal tea, chamomile tea, almonds, dark chocolates. ये सब आपके favorite होने चाहिए. You can add it to your grocery when you're about to have periods. You can, really make a golden milk out of these two ingredients and a little ghee. It really helps you. जो if periods ठीक से नहीं आ रहे हैं, you can have that combination of turmeric, warm milk, and a little bit of ghee. Really give it a shake and have your golden milk for golden results. But to avoid, we all know aerated drinks, caffeinated drinks, citrus fruit, sugary drinks, sugar, ज़्यादा sugar नहीं खाना. जबकि sugar craving होती है, try to control it and switch your craving to something else. Maybe you just need some extra carbs. Salty food, junk food, alcohol, of course. तो ये सब चीजें you should avoid during your periods. हालांकि there are some people who want to eat hot stuff like coffee or tea, but actually for me cold lassi works, so you can try that. What exercises you should do on your periods? It is completely up to you. Nobody's asking you exercise, but if you really are feeling all right, you can do brisk walking, light exercises. Cardio तो jumping वगैरह ये सब avoid कर सकते हो आप. You can go for breathing exercises and light to moderate cardio, but obviously listen to your body. जो मन करे वो करो. We are going to talk about happy hormones. I'm sure you must have heard its name. There are 4 in number. Let me read the chat because I can't see the chat and I can't see the screen at the same time. So dopamine, how can you, this is a reward chemical. ये आपका ऐसा chemical है जो तब release होता है जब you finish a task. When you finish a task or you are taking care of yourself, you're eating good food or celebrating small wins, इन सब चीजों के वक्त you will realize कि you're feeling good. Obviously everybody feels good. So this is when it is released. Excuse me, just a moment. I'm checking with my slide. Oh, it's coming now. I'm sorry, guys. Finishing a task, self-care, eating good food. See, she's eating salad. Okay, please note it down. By good food, I don't mean pizzas. And you may eat everything, by the way. But then, if you really want to release dopamine, क्योंकि इसके बाद guilty feel किसे करना है ना? And obviously celebration. So consider it when you're feeling low. Next is oxytocin. Oxytocin is basically called the love hormone. So playing with a dog, holding hands and hugging, playing with a baby, and listening to music. All of this releases this love hormone called oxytocin. If you're really feeling down, try hugging somebody special for 10 seconds straight and see the magic. The next happy hormone is serotonin. And serotonin is a mood stabilizer. It is released when you're meditating or going for a run or taking a walk in nature or sun exposure. So all this you can do, little things. These are very small things, no? You probably do it every day or sometimes we miss on lot many days. So if you keep a track of this, you can really keep your mood up. And the last one is endorphin, the painkiller. So if you're really down, feeling low and physical pain or a mental pain, it can help you by laughter exercises, essential oil or spa, dark chocolate, or watching comedy. So I have a few questions, nutritional questions to ask. Let me quickly ask and see that how much equipped you are. Who has done this? Why? Can you see this? So I was done kind of deleted because it's going across to everyone's screen. So kaun banega healthy with nutritionist Sakshi Shekhar? Let me ask you a few questions. You can answer in chat box as A, B, C, and D. And here's your first question. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are important for A, bones, C, muscles, B, teeth, C, muscles, or D, all of the above. Please start writing your answers. Wow, very nice. I mean, you all are really equipped. Shraddha, kitne sare D likhoge? Yes, round of applause. All of the above is the answer. Claps. Next question. Which of these is a replacement of lean meat? Start answering, guys. ग्रीन पीस और किडनी बीन्स, लीन मीट का रिप्लेसमेंट क्या है? A, B, B, B. Simran says A, Kriti says B, Palmi says B. एक बार भी B लिखने से मैं समझ जाऊंगी. Kidney beans. Yes, kidney beans it is. Absolutely correct. मेरी जरूरत भी है यहाँ पर. Everybody knows their nutrition questions. Kidney based beans basically plant derived protein food है, जबकि green peas में थोड़ा starch भी होता है, just as potatoes. So lean meat का replacement kidney bean बेहतर है. Next question. I'm sorry, but I don't know why it is going slow. Which of the following is a whole grain? Please tell me. It's A, popcorn, B, couscous, C, multigrain bread, or corn tortillas. Which of them is a whole grain? This is a dicey one, guys. It's not that easy. Somebody said the right answer. Dr. Archana said the right answer. It's popcorn. Sorry for the delay. Suddenly the laptop has gone slow. Too much of knowledge for it, I guess. Because popcorn has both kernel and grain seed, that makes it whole grain. So this is it from my end. Thank you very much. So you can scan these and get to reach me directly. This is my Instagram ID. You can use it to scan, and I'll share my link with you shortly. Before that, I would like to share two quick links wherein you can, I'm sorry for this. I can't help it. I'm sorry. There goes the two link. You can click on these links and reach me on my Facebook page to follow me and my Instagram page. And this is it from my end, guys. The laptop is gonna go slow. Let's not care. Hope you had a good session. If you have any questions, you can start shooting right away. Yes, we'll be covering on certain diseases in the coming sessions. So barring that, we can go ahead and, if you have any questions to lose weight or gain weight or regarding PMS, you can start asking questions.
Sakshi, can we quit the screen sharing so that we can see?
Yes, yes, certainly.
Great. So, ladies, if anybody has a question, you can go on, unmute yourself, and ask Sakshi directly. I have also shared her Instagram, Facebook details onto the chat box, like she did. So make sure you do follow her. And I'm sure she's going to be just a click away to help you in any format she can. There is a lot more in store that is coming up. Sakshi, I think there is a question in the chat box.
Okay. It's a good idea to engage yourself into physical workout, because as जैसे मैंने कहा कि you know, oh, my video is disabled, is it? Am I visible?
Yes, Sakshi, you are. Shrishti is saying her video is disabled. That is not the case, Shrishti. We cannot disable anybody's video. So you can just check your technical settings.
So anytime you're taking a psychiatric medicine, it's a good idea to release those happy hormones I talked about earlier. So if you focus on all these 4 hormones and the way it is released, like if you go for a walk, or you can go for some exercises, so you can really help yourself in, because
Who is this?
I'm Deepmala Jaiswal.
Deepmala, let Sakshi complete, please. That's very, kind of not fair.
Yes, so I think I've answered my question. You should, engage yourself into physical activity, social interaction, because that is when you can really help yourself release those happy hormones and counter those hormones that are troubling you. Thank you. I saw a next question. Reduce tummy with nutrition. So it's a combination of diet and workout. I missed the person's name. I'm sorry. Okay, never mind.
It's Meena Mandal. Meena has asked the question.
Okay, Veena, so you can, you have to work upon both diet and workout together to get rid of it, because spot reduction does not happen. अगर किसी के, क्योंकि our bodies are different and it's beautiful in its own way, but अगर आपको पूरी तरह body reduce करके एक certain shape में आना है, तो we have to work out on all the body parts and make a regime out of it. कि आपने फर्स्ट डे अपने शोल्डर आर्म पे काम किया, सेकंड डे ऑफ वर्कआउट पे आपने अपने कोर और एब्स पे काम किया, लाइकवाइज. सो एक सर्टेन वर्कआउट रिजीम और एक सर्टेन डाइट रिजीम से आप कैसे कर सकते हो, पर एक जगह से फैट नहीं जाती, फैट अपनी मर्जी से जाती है. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एनीवन? Carbohydrate is the key. If you're feeling really low BP है, तो पहले first fulfill your needs of your carbohydrate, and have a little lemonade with salt, rock salt especially, वो electrolytic balance को ठीक करता है. That is when you can balance, yourself, and of course आपका सारा meal proper होना चाहिए. Along with that, please add rock salt to your lemonade. It really helps in lifting yourself, and electrolytic balance ठीक करती है वो. Painkiller, you can, somebody's asking me if they can take painkiller in every month for decreasing period pain. It's up to you, because pain tolerance पे depend करता है. It's science, and अगर science ने ये चीज इजाद की है, तो why not use it if you're really suffering? क्योंकि अगर if you're traveling and I tell you don't take painkiller, it doesn't make sense. So use it according to your will and your body requirements. If you are taking care of your food intakes properly, तो बहुत हद तक आपकी पेन रिड्यूस्ड रहती है. अगर आप डाइट और वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, तो you really don't feel that intensive pain. People who are mostly अगर वो ज्यादा एक्टिव नहीं होते, उनको ज्यादा पेन फील होता है. तो आप ट्राई कर सकते हो कि जो मैंने आपको वो ओवेरियन साइकिल बताई थी, उस पीरियड में अगर आप वर्कआउट करो अच्छे से, तो यू विल रियलाइज कि आप पीरियड्स क्लियरली अभी आपके यू आर गेटिंग रिड ऑफ इट क्लियरली, और ऑल्सो आपकी पेन भी रिड्यूस्ड है. तो आप नेचुरल तरीका तो है ही है, लेकिन अगर आपको बहुत पेन हो रहा है, तो इट्स अप टू यू टू टेक पेन किलर और नॉट. I think I'm underweight. What should I be eating to maintain the weight? My height is 5'2". Your ideal body weight, Monica, is 55 lagbhag. You have to eat a quantified diet, जिससे आपकी कैलोरीज तक आप पहुंच सको. आपकी कैलोरी रिक्वायरमेंट कैसी और कितनी है, that I have to understand. अगर मैं क्लियरली ऐसे अभी ऑब्जर्व नहीं कर पाऊंगी, पर आपकी कैलोरी रिक्वायरमेंट कितनी है, उसके बेसिस पर अगर आप खाते हो, तो यू विल बी एबल टू गेन योर वेट हेल्दीली. प्रोटीन्स ऐड करते जाओ डाइट में एज ऑफ नाउ. एंड ऑल्सो ऐसा नहीं है कि इफ यू वांट टू गेन वेट यू डोंट वांट टू एक्सरसाइज, यू शुडंट बी एक्सरसाइजिंग. आपको एक्सरसाइज भी करनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि हमें लीन मसल मास बढ़ाना है. कुछ भी खा के फैट नहीं बढ़ाना है. What should we eat so that we should not feel hungry? Eat. I mean, eat if you don't want to feel hungry. Didn't really get the question. मुझे लगता है आप कहना चाहते हो कि डाइट के दौरान आप क्या खाओ जिससे आपको भूख ना लगे. अगर आप नॉन वेजिटेरियन हो, this is what I am assuming. Yes. So अगर आप नॉन वेजिटेरियन हो तो आप बीच में कभी अगर देखो everything I speak right now is a generalized version of, because I make personalized diet plans. So it's very difficult to say कि क्या खाओ, क्योंकि अगर मैंने कुछ कहा और वो आपके कैलोरी रिक्वायरमेंट से ज्यादा हो गया या कम हो गया, it doesn't make sense. पर फिर भी मैं एक जनरल चीज कह रही हूँ कि अगर आपको कंट्रोल करना है तो आप एक बॉइल्ड एग खा सकते हो अगर आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट में फॉल करता है, या फिर आपको डिस्ट्रैक्ट करना है तो लो कैलोरी क्यूकम्बर खा सकते हो, और भी डिस्ट्रैक्ट करना है तो आप जैसे फेनल वाटर, सौंफ का पानी इज अ हंगर सप्रेसेंट, तो आप वो सौंफ का पानी पी सकते हो, वो हंगर सप्रेस कर देती है. There are so many things like that. You can have a beverage also. It you know kind of flavored beverage kind of distracts you from your hunger. तो आप वो भी कर सकते हो. Either distraction or fulfilling yourself. अगर आप अच्छा डाइट खा रहे हो तो usually hunger pangs नहीं आते हैं आपको. Caffeine helps me for BP low, but in period we should cut down the caffeine and salty things. Is this fine to take because I feel dizzy most of the times and my hands are sweaty? Gundeep, high five. I feel the same. इसलिए मैंने कहा आप लेमनेड ले सकते हो with rock salt in it. It will help you. You can cut down on your caffeine. I think
Deepmala, if you have a question now, you can go ahead.
you're welcome.
Deepmala, I think you've joined now. If you have a question, you can go ahead.
ज्वाइनिंग किया, नेट काम नहीं करता, कुछ भी पता नहीं है क्या हुआ मैम मीटिंग में.
Okay, no problem. All right, so I think we can wind this up. Apurva, if you have a question, you can go ahead, please.
Hello, ma'am. That was a wonderful session. Thank you so much. Well, my question.
मुझे इसका ये वीडियो कहाँ मिलेगा? YouTube पे.
My question is, how seriously should we take our body metallic index? Because I have seen people who are underweight, but they perform very well. They are full of energy. And at times I've seen people with normal weight, they are at low energy and they cannot perform well, I guess, in gym and other workouts. So how seriously should we take our body metallic index?
Basically, now it's more of BMR, basal metabolic rate. So we talked about in the last session the basal metabolic rate के हिसाब से if you're eating well, you will never feel this way. क्योंकि वो एक you know that BMI is sort of I'll not say out of trend, but BMR is leading the trend, and it is a more systematized way of eating. So if you're calculating your BMR and going to eat and you go to eat accordingly, से अगर आपको गेन करना है या लूज करना है, मैंने इस बारे में लास्ट सेशन में बात की थी. Probably these videos will be out soon. So when you're eating accordingly, then you will be able to, take it really, जैसे आपने कहा, I don't exactly know what exactly you are asking, but I think BMR is something that you should focus on. If you want to research on it, do a research, because BMR will help you find your total daily energy expenditure basically. और उसके हिसाब से आप खाओ. उससे अगर आपको वेट गेन करनी है तो थोड़ा ज्यादा कैलोरीज 200-300 किलो कैलोरीज ऊपर खाना है, और अगर रिड्यूस करनी है तो 200-300 किलो कैलोरीज नीचे खानी है. So this is how you can balance it. So research on BMR now. Okay, Apurva.
Thank you.
All right, does anybody else has a question? Please go ahead, unmute yourself. I think we are sorted, Sakshi. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. And I'm sure the ladies had a lot of insights today. They had a lot to learn, and we are looking forward to have more sessions with you. Thank you so much. Have a lovely evening.
You too. Thank you so much.